Okay, I am checking out apowersoft.com/free online screen recorder. It has a browser, uh, a recording version for the browser, which is what you see on the home screen. It also has a Mac version. If you have a PC, you can click Start Recording. It will launch the application. Okay, and let's do this. You can also download the desktop version. Make sure you put on check screen and you turn on the microphone. Okay, and hit recording. Microsoft on. Am I ready? Here are the hotkeys. Pause or resume is Control and F7. Stop recording at Control and F10. You can show or hide recording toolbar using Control Alt E. I'm going to hit OK so I can begin my recording. And here is my practice recording using Apowersoft. So I am recording, and I'm just doing a little audio to show you how it would work. And let's say I'm done with my presentation. I'm going to hit the pause button, and there's a little green check mark, and hit the green check mark. Recording. Okay, once you're done with it, here's the upload button or the save button. Hit upload. I'm going to upload it to YouTube. Now, because I'm already logged into my YouTube account and I have a channel, it immediately uploads, pulls up the public upload. So I'm going to hit unlisted, and then I'm going to go back, and I'm going to double click on this link, and it will show me the video here. All right, that's now notice it's saved in my documents folder, Apowersoft, and then Apowersoft free online screen recorder. So now I'm going to go back, click on the upload, and let's just show documents. Here's my documents, Apowersoft free screen reader, and here's the video. And let's do Apowersoft recording sample. There we go, it started. All right. I'm going to click done. All right, here's the link. Let's see if it will pull up. And there we go. There it is.